Bro, calm down, bro, calm down. I thought you told me you're not married.
Yes, you can explain, bro. Bro, we can explain with this thing. Bro.
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, I don't understand. Now, marriage women can't just dey cheat these days. You can thank God for this prank, Now, every day they say, thank God for this prank. Because if not be this prank, we for not know say married women they cheat for their husband house. The funny part, now women will be say their husband they even they try, they give them money, they give them everything. Now then they want to cheat. I don't understand. What do they look for? If you see the way this guy they cry, now just pity for him. You say, get when they spend money, get when I carry come for village, get when they take care of, do everything. Now wow. Before they say now men they cheat. These days now women can't they cheat, not be men again. Hey, my people, the thing don't turn around. Now women can't they cheat now for their husband house. All women are now hook up that they do. Men for Nigeria, more they prank una wife, make una they prank una wife, more they know. See the other one now when I put that day now. That one go Jogodo with my carry pikin for nobody. Hey, people go they say na RNG. This one not be RNG again, oh. This one not be RNG. Una hear this not corona, they say na RNG. But people, this one shockalize me like, hey, married women, I can't they cheat now, not be even the men again now. The other one carry pikin for house, he want go do cup. Now so the thing come scratch on a rich be na money. How much? 50,000, 100 euro. Now una want just I know 100 euro. Now una want just die for so. You never reach 100 euro safe because 100 euro na 70 something thousand now. Now wow, my people, married women, I can't cheat now, my people. This video shocked me like, hey. I go cover some parts because of YouTube law. So I go where the man they beat and I'll put that place. Wahala be like bicycle. Married women, I can't cheat for their husband house. Married women. Now, wow, my people, this one loud, like seriously, this one loud. Make I put the video, make una see. I'm gonna make sure those videos are big. This video need to go viral, like seriously. This video need to really go viral. Now, wow, married women. My people, I'm gonna share them more. Bye, everybody.
I go by the name 5-star, popularly known as Lord of Lemon, and I'm here with Ken. Okay, guys, this video is really crazy, to be honest. This is my brother here. He's also a content creator. He's married, and how many people can I get? And I get one picking, Abi? Yeah. So he said I should prank his wife. Guys, to be honest, the last video I did, somebody said I should not try it again. Like my fans said I should not try it again. But he insists, say, bro, do this thing for me. And he said, make I do it now, my guy. So not that I'm spoiling the marriage, I'm not spoiling the marriage, but it's for us to know who is who, you understand? Before time go now, go not say picking way he gets not be your picking. So that's why. So he said I should prank. It's not going to be funny. So he said I should prank his wife. And today, I've been chatting with the wife for the past 3 weeks, and the wife they give me vibes. She give me vibes. To be honest, your wife tell me say she never married. To be honest, she said she's not married. So guys, watch out for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Share it so people will learn. Share this video so people will learn from this video. Thank you very much, guys. So what's up? Okay. Like you look beautiful in real life more than your picture. To be honest, really? Yeah, you look so beautiful in real life.
Thank you.
I want to ask you, are you married?
No.
Don't lie.
I'm not.
You're not married?
No.
Have you given birth?
No, do I look like one?
Okay, no. No problem, come here. So, yo!
Oh.
Sorry. Tell me more about yourself.
Like what do you mean?
I don't know anything you want to tell me.
Nothing much. I just like you and
are you sure? Like
yeah, I just like you, and the first time I saw you, oh my god.
You know the first time I was chatting, you were doing shakara for me. You were doing shakara. I was thinking maybe it's
you know that's how ladies do. At first we have to
No problem. Let me see. Wait. Bro, calm down. Bro, calm down. Bro, calm down. No. Stop. Bro, calm down.
She's the mother of my son.
Bro,
We have one son together.
Bro, calm down.
For a positive.
I thought you told me you're not married. Bro, no. Bro, wait.
I'm telling you, I done for you.
Bro, calm down.
We have a son together.
Bro, calm down. Bro, calm down. Bro, anytime I can do this thing, calm down. Bro, chill now. Wait, make I explain, bro. Bro, make I explain with this thing. Brother, leave this thing. Brother, leave this thing, I explain. Bro, leave this thing, I explain. Bro, wait. You're a prostitute. Bro, wait. She tell me so, wait. Bro, she tell me say she never married. Wait. Bro, wait. She tell me say, wait, bro. Calm down. Bro, she tell me say she never married. Ask her. Bro, wait. Ask her. She said she never married. She said she never born pikin. But bro, wait, must settle this. We have one kid together. We have a son together. Bro, wait.
Don't punish you. Don't ever near my home. I'll kill you.
Bro, calm down.
I'll kill you.
Bro, relax. Bro, relax. Oh, God. Wait. Bro, you know what's something wait. Bro, go spend something wait. Bro, calm down now. Why they like this? Now you can make a prank, Amo. No. Bro, now you can make a prank, Amo. Well, I thought you said you're not married. Wait, I thought you said you're not married. Why you're married? Wait, I thought you said you're not married.
I gave everything you wanted.
Wait, calm down. Wait, calm down. Wait, bro, you go with yourself. Bro, you go with yourself. No, calm down, bro. Brother, calm down. Bro, you can't because of woman. Bro, wait, you can't because of woman.
I love all my life.
Bro, I understand, brother, but now you tell me I can do
I
this.
give her everything.
Bro, calm down, bro.
I picked her for nothing.
Bro, we don't do.
I'm on a
Bro, I
date.
don't do.
I'm on a date.
Bro, I don't cheat.
I'm not able to let me hit back. Let me think that you get what?
Brother, I
Just
don't
smoke back because I'm a pregnant and she failed.
Bro, I don't do. Bro, I don't do.
I love this girl so
So you get your
much.
pikin, you owe your pikin, bro. Don't worry.
I gave her the world.
Bro,
I gave her everything.
Bro, I don't do.
Don't see.
Bro, you don't do.